I nominated Sharon Redshaw for the Apprenticeship Awards due to her dedication, showing resilience throughout. So Sharon's had quite a long gap in her studying, starting a qualification later in life. This was alongside having family commitments, looking after her father, also taking on additional responsibilities at work from a manager going on maternity leave. She's shown true dedication throughout, which has also led to her passing her AAT level 3 now.
Hello, my name's Sharon Redshaw. I work at BBI Services in Shipston on Stour. I'm studying a level 3 assistant accountant apprenticeship. Finding out I'd been nominated as a finalist for the Paragon Skills Award really pleased me. When Angie told me she was nominating me, I was shocked. But when I received the email to say I'd been shortlisted, I felt a real sense of pride. I feel like my hard work and dedication has been recognised, and this is also important for BBI too, as my employers, they've encouraged me during my apprenticeship journey.